Hi, we've come down the beach to practice with Stuart's drone. He's had some practice in the UK, but he didn't have enough practice all the time last year to start getting it out to do photography, because when you're landing it on the boat, if that goes wrong, it's in the drink and you've lost it. So we've got some time now to be able to have a little go with it. So I'm just doing a bit of filming of Stuart filming me in the drone. So here we are. He's literally just going to get it off the ground. He's just setting it all up. So I don't know anything about this, but he's got like what I call a games console with him, and that's strapped round his neck, and he's just got this thing off the ground this second, as you've seen. It's also a piece of DJI kit. We've been so impressed with the DJI kits, and I'll give you the model and all that in the blurb on the video. Right, so here we have a moment of truth after the practice this morning. We are trying it for the first time anywhere near water. It's a lovely still afternoon. There's hardly any wind at all, which is why we thought it would be a really good time to get this out and have a go. One of the reasons why this is so nice to be able to do with the drone is because the photography that we take is either from this camera on the boat looking out, or we're in the dinghy looking at the boat. Whereas this gives us such a great perspective of the boat in its environment. And one of the big drivers of why I even bother with this video channel is because I always wanted to show people what it's like out on the water, and what it's like being on the boat, and what you see and the perspective of it. And whilst this camera, this action camera with its wide lens, has been superb in giving us some really good footage of that, I think the drone will really add to that element of it, especially when you're at anchorages or you're in such beautiful scenery, to be able to see it from the other perspective. So I'm really excited about the results that this drone is going to be able to give us. So I won't film all of it. I won't film all of Stuart filming me, filming you type of thing. So I'll see what his footage comes back like. One of the most important things that Stuart's just pointed out is actually bringing the drone back onto the pontoon. Come on. Well done, Stuart. Attempt 1 successful. Very good, very good. So I did this once and lost all his drone footage. So let's have another go. Launched off the pontoon. This is the precarious part as it comes out over the water. Here we are, it's probably filming me, filming it. Anyway, I did that in case it went wrong and I could show the insurance company what happened as it popped in the drink, but it didn't. It's on the pontoon, so whoo!